Hi everyone, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today is the last day in my village, and I'm gonna show you all around my village. We usually light up a small fire because since it is winters, to keep warm, we do this in the village. Since it is an open area, we can do it there. So my grandma is gonna take out some milk from the cow, so she must wet the nipples first before milking the cow because the nipples are dirty by all the hay and dust. Now she is going to take out milk from the cow by squeezing the nipples, and it doesn't feel pain. You just have to squeeze harder. It's kind of hard to take out the milk, but if you practice, you can learn. It'll be very fast in no time. Look, I'm milking the cow. Usually we pull the nipples, but this one we're squeezing the nipples. So the baby loves its mother and it's really hungry, so it's gonna eat some, it's gonna drink some milk. Sorry, who eats milk? So how does the milk come out? It actually comes out by the calf. First you have to release the calf to its mother. It will drink milk from 2 nipples, and then the other 2 nipples to pour out the milk. The process will start only from the calf because it's sucking the nipples, and by eating, obviously you'll get milk. It gives 5 to 7 liters a day. Now, do you see these around your area? If it's like a tropical weather area, then there are gonna be so many of these worms. I see them before. And did you ever see this bird? There are a lot of different creatures, insects, and lots of different things at the village because it's an open area and mostly nature. Hi everyone, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today this is my last day in the village, so now I'm going to show you all my cousins and friends. This is my youngest cousin here. His name is Aniket. Say hi. He wants me to go on this thing. Okay, now we go on to the next one. This is the village life over here. One of my cousins went to school, so I can't show you him. Maybe next time I can show you. This is my cousin. Her name is Sandhya. This is a buffalo. It's a girl. Don't go close to it as it can headbutt you. See? This is a baby. This is a baby. It's a calf. It's a calf. That's its mom. This is another cow. And that's the horse. So this is the house I live in to sleep and eat. And I'll show you what's inside. Right now the house is not fully renovated, but it's okay. This is the inside. This is the room. There are 2 rooms here. This one is really echoey because there's nothing inside. This is the kitchen. This is a temple. I think this is supposed to be the toilet, but it's not renovated yet. So, yeah. There's the outside. The hand pump. I'll show you how to use the hand pump. So basically this is the pump, and then you just push down, and there the water comes out. You have to keep on pushing in order for the water to come out. See, now the water is coming out. From here. Now I will show you how the traditional houses look like in the village, okay? So this is the gate. Okay. You close the gate. There are all sorts of plants. Even this one we worship. It's called Tulsi. So, yeah. This is marigold. It's bloomed. It's going to bloom into this lovely flower here. So let me show you how does the toilet look like. It's the Indian style toilet. I'm not used to the toilet, but okay. And this is the men's slippers, this is the women's slippers for the toilet. So take out your own slippers. If you want to wash your hands here, you just fill water inside. Here's the soap. Here's the soap. Okay. And then you just wash your hands here, you know. Now I will show you the inside of our house. So this is where you hang your clothes. This is where you hang your clothes. Okay. So that's like the garage. It is. You just keep your things here. This is the bed the people here lie down on. It's comfortable. Okay. And in the winters, there's a very thick blanket you can't even carry. Okay, it's that thick. Here's the water. You use this straw to make the fire. Right now, no. Okay. We just warm up the water. And then we use it for our bath. So this is where you charge your things, and then where you keep all your things you need on this table. So this is where you keep your where we keep our bags, and then this is basically like the storeroom, okay? But it's really big, right? See? It's super big. So this is our terrace, okay? And this is where we climb up. Last time it wasn't like this, but now we have to climb up this. Don't worry, it won't drop, see? It's sturdy. It's beautiful up here. So there's so many trees here, but then we have to be careful as there's no boundary over here. So we have to be really careful. Trees are super long. That's the field over there, and these are mustard flowers. These flowers to use to make mustard oil. See? Don't they look beautiful? It's so lovely. Look there. We can see like every detail from up here. It's just so good. That's my aunt, my paternal aunt. That's also my paternal aunt. That's my mom. That's my dad. That's my grandma. This is my older mom. We call it Badi Mama in Hindi. I don't know how do you say it in English, like the relationship. So yeah, this is my father's brother's wife. So we call Chachi. So Chachi is basically your father's brother's wife. Okay, so that's my Chachi. This is my friend's baby cow. It's a calf. It's so cute, right? Its name is Unnati. It's a girl. Hi. There's so many flies here. It's so annoying. She becomes very naughty over here. And that's its mom. That's its mom over here. Oh, she sat down. That's its mom over there. And she hits you. If you go near her, she will hit you. Unless if she recognizes you, then she won't. She doesn't recognize me, so I'm not going close to her. Bye. She almost hit me once. So that dog is actually really bad and he can bark anytime, so I'm gonna actually have my older friend's baby cat. It's so cute, right? Hello. Hi. That's a cow peeing. They put their tail up when they need to pee. Don't mind me showing you this, okay? Hi. Hello. Okay. Yeah, and this is Anjali Didi. She's my older friend. Yeah, this is Priyanka Didi. She's also my older friend. This is Rinky Didi. She's also my older friend. And this is Vindhya Didi. She's also my older friend. Now I'm in the field. So this is a potato plant. These are potato plants. This is an onion plant. Onion plants. These are gram plants. These are mustard plants. These are the bigger mustard plants. And those are sugar canes. And then the people in the village, they feed their cows and buffaloes these grass. This is a jackfruit tree. And this is a mango tree. This is a bamboo tree. See? These are the even older houses. This is a ginger plant. I know, right? I didn't know that. Even in Singapore. This is a banana tree. Do you see it before? So this house is already broken, and this is where the water comes from. The water goes here. So this is the house. Oh my goodness, look there. It's abandoned. There are many kinds of butterflies. Right now they're going to repair the cycle. So this is lassi.
का करी है का तेरा सा झाड़ साड़ मार देके साफ हो जाए घर पूरा हमें टाइम 11 बजे 3 है हो गया चलो बेस कैसे मारेंगे
this is like what my grandma is doing. She's going to remove all the bad things people want to see in front of us, because since we are traveling, and if people like are jealous or anything, so that can help to prevent it from going inside your body and harm you. So that's the traditional way of how to do it. Our train is approaching. Now let's look at some cute and silly monkeys doing cute and silly things. So now we have boarded the train. So this is the view. Bye, Ayodhya. See you next year. They show your message. They show the message of what they said from the loudspeaker just now. The speakers. They show the message in English and Hindi. This is to show that the toilets are here and over there. Plus, when you exit from here and there, the toilets are here and here. See? And this is the train carriage number C5. We're seated here. Perfect. Not everyone have a table. So we have chai, masala chai. This is a powder. This brand is famous in India, Chayos. Okay. So chai is tea in Hindi, okay? This is called matti. It's like a spiced biscuit, okay? And it's really good when you like eat it with tea, okay? Then this is vanilla. This is a vanilla cupcake. It's eggless. And this is kachori. This is an Indian snack. I'll show you the inside. This kachori. It has filling inside. They also gave tomato ketchup. Okay? They gave tissue and a spoon. This is probably for the kachori. Here is juice. I love juice. Okay? This is apple juice. This is the apple juice. Apple juice. So, this is the cupcake. I didn't want the kachori, like, I don't know why. Like, I feel it's too dry, so I didn't take it. So, I took the vanilla cupcake. And I tried it before on the way to Ayodhya, my village. It's so good. So, I'm going to eat it again. So we're reaching more kilometers and then we're going to reach the station. That's going really slow right now. Here is another passing train. It's really small. This is actually an inspection car. See? This is Lucknow station. This is the Lucknow station. You can see the sun setting. The sun sets early in the winters in India. We have reached Lucknow in around 5 o'clock. Right now it's 4:58. Last time we reached Lucknow earlier. So basically, we left at 3:20 and we left and now it's 5 o'clock, so it's kind of late. 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. So we have reached Kanpur it's around 6:20. So let's see. This is potato with capsicum. It's rice. This is rice. This is cottage cheese and gravy. And this is lentils. Yogurt. And this is Indian bread. It's called roti. So now we're going to reach in around 6 kilometers. We actually reached really early. So I hope you like my vlog today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.